Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give y'all a pep talk in a 1-minute-ish video. So today on the Writers Atelier Instagram page, our weekly quote was all about turning your some days into todays. So I'm here to pose the question to you, writer. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for regarding writing that project that's been in your brain for however long, maybe even years? What's stopping you from writing it? As someone who has just gone through a pretty traumatic health experience, and I'm still going through it in a ways, I just wanted to remind you that we don't have a whole lot of time left. Tomorrow really isn't promised. So whatever it is that you want to write and you've been putting off, I'm here to remind you to write it today. Don't let it be someday anymore. Turn those some days into today. All right, that's all I've got for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video motivational, and join us here for the next Motivational Minute. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.